Most traders don't need more information. What they need is alpha. They need tradable information that's reliable, and they need it before anybody else gets it. Right now, you're probably following hundreds of different crypto accounts. You're probably scrolling through endless threads, and you're still second guessing every trade. And when you finally do find a trade, well, you're probably late, and you're catching the last part of the trade. The problem isn't that you can't find information. The problem is that you can't tell which information matters. And by the time you do, you're not getting to the trade fast enough. The average trader is drowning in conflicting calls. One influencer says long, another influencer says short. And by the time the trade setup hits YouTube, by that time the smart money's moved. Meanwhile, the real alpha, the kind that actually makes money, well, that's being shared in closed communities and private channels that you don't have access to. This isn't about finding more content. It's about getting the right alpha before it becomes public. Frontrunners is the most profitable crypto community in the world. It's built on clarity, it's built on confidence, and it's built on performance. This isn't another signals group with anonymous traders. This is insight to my private trading desk, which is backed by my fundamental analysts, quant traders, and experts with years of experience. I built Crypto Banter into the largest crypto media network in the world with millions of followers. And Frontrunners is where my team and I share exactly what we're trading in real time. That's real-time ideas, real-time alpha. That's early inside information. That's direct access to people who've been doing this for years professionally, not to influencers who started in the last cycle. Here's just some of what you get when you join Frontrunners. Daily research calls with myself and my analyst team. On these calls, we break down all our ideas, we show exactly what's moving and what's moving the market.
When Trump comes and says, oh, it was 100%, now it's 200%, and Powell looks at this and he goes, okay, hold on a second, 20% of our goods, of our consumer goods are actually, that we check in the basket, are actually imported from China, the price is going to go up.
And you're not just getting a trade alert, you're getting the understanding and the conviction behind it. You get daily market reports, personally compiled by me. These are the same reports that I use to manage my portfolio and the same reports that I use to make my show. Only thing is, you're getting them before anyone else. You're getting trade ideas from chartists, quants, and other people on the inside. And you're getting access to my 𝗙𝗏𝗆𝗇 calls channel. And that channel has a hit rate of over 90%. You're getting access to early projects. You're getting access to our internal newsroom. And if you like meme coins, there's a dedicated meme coin server. You're also joining an active community of 3,000 serious traders. No spam, no memes, no amateurs, just discussion focused about how to really make money in crypto. Let me show you what real alpha looks like. Last month, one of our analysts spotted ASTER within minutes of it listing at 7 cents. But what separates our community from everyone else is that our analyst didn't just say, buy ASTER. He shared a full research report showing a breakdown that ASTER was trading at a $97 million market cap when Hyperliquid was trading at $15 billion. He showed the members that if ASTER just reaches a fraction of Hyperliquid's valuation, and so within hours, the upside was indeed massive. Some of our members made 100, 200, 1,000% in a day. And we were there for the entire journey, telling our members exactly when to take profits, at 5x, at 10x, at 7x. By the time this news hit Twitter, our members had already bagged life-changing profits. That's the difference between being in a room where alpha gets shared early and waiting for the public announcement. And we didn't just call ASTER at 7 cents. We called Zcash at under $100 and now it's trading at $500. I called ZK Sync on a random weekend when it was trading at 3 cents and it went to about 7 cents the same day. We called Meteora at 30 cents. And now they take much more risk. Doesn't matter what the narrative is. If there's money to be made, we're looking into it. Over 3,000 people have joined Frontrunners. These aren't all professional traders. Some are seasoned veterans. Some are full-time professionals. Some are weekend warriors. But regardless of who the member is, the reviews speak for themselves. Best group with the best customer service. Been a member for over a year and honestly the best group of crypto people assembled anywhere. So listen, if you're tired of second guessing your trades, chasing Twitter calls, and wondering what the smart money is doing, maybe it's time you join Frontrunners. There's a link below to a killer Black Friday special. We've never done this before, and we won't do it again. We've made 500 spaces available for Black Friday. And if you get one of those 500 spaces, instead of paying $2,400 a year, you'll be paying $1,199. You get everything, all the alpha, all the trade research, and all the calls, all in one place. And if you cash in on this Black Friday special, and if you're one of the 500, you'll be paying $1,199 instead of $2,400. That's the best investment you can make this Black Friday. So go on, use the link below and try and be one of the first 500 people to get this Black Friday special.